about cool new forms of transport, clean air, healthier food, beautiful forests, and oceans bursting with life. So, solving the climate crisis isn't about sacrificing and settling for a mediocre future. It's about the exact opposite. It's about co-creating a much better future for all of us.
All of us, to come together, cities, citizens, governments, companies, environmental organizations, and we must believe, therefore, in the capacity for each of us to be potent agents of change, and that together we are a force. And I hope you will all join us.